Hey everybody, so real quick, a Python byte about keyword arguments. And so keyword arguments is another way to pass in arguments into functions. And so the difference between like an args, an asterisk in args, and two asterisks in kwargs is that you're passing in a keyword plus whatever that keyword equals. So down here you can see Jack equals 100, Jill equals 40. And the idea, and I don't use Kwargs very often, but the idea from what I understand is if you are, if it makes it more readable and you're using the, the variables and whatever you're assigning it to, if you're using that information and it makes everything more readable, then it makes a lot of sense to use it. But if you want to read more about Kwargs, I recommend checking out this Stack Overflow post. This link will take you out there. But it's pretty interesting because somebody asked the question if there was any reason not to always use keyword arguments. So check that out if you want to read more. But anyways, if we run this, you can see we're defining our function. We've got it all set up. It's going to loop through our keyword arguments, and it's going to print. And the first positional argument here is going to be I, which is going to be the key, pretty much, because this is just like dictionaries. So this is going to be the key, the first I, and then Kwargs with index I is going to be the value of the key. So we're passing in the key value, and then we'll get a return, or we're passing in the key. We're going to get the return of the value. So the first one's going to be the key name, or the key. So that'll be Jack. Second will be 100. So if you know how dictionaries work, that's essentially what's happening here. So if we run this, and you can see the output already, we have Jack's age is 100, Jill's age is 40, and so on through the rest of the list. And we can add to this list, and so we can put like equals 2. And then if we run it, you can see we get our output. So anyways, that is keyword arguments. If you want to read a little bit more, I definitely recommend checking this out. And there's also some good documentation on the Python website worth looking into as well. But anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to reach out. Also, if you want to subscribe, go ahead and do that. And also, if you want the Jupyter notebook, just check out below in the description. There's folders. There's going to be one called Python Functions, and that will have this notebook along with the main notebook that has a lot more information in it. So anyways, thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next one.